Soybeans 160 serves for 1 medium cauliflower, cut into fours, 2 tablespoons grass-fed butter or ghee, 3/4 cloves of garlic, minced 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano in a steamer. Steam the cauliflower forwards for 5-7 minutes or until tender. While the cauliflower is cooking, melt the butter in a pan and sauté the garlic with the dried herbs until the garlic is golden brown. Remove from heat. Once the cauliflower is done cooking, place it in a large bowl with the cream, almond milk and mash with a potato masher. Alternatively, you can put the steamed forwards food processor with the milk, cream and process until smooth. Mix in the garlic butter, salt and pepper to taste, and nutritional yeast. Serve immediately. Garlic mashed cauliflower, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, splash of almond milk or pastured cream, salt and pepper to taste, nutritional yeast, optional. 175 serves 2 ounces quinoa macaroni, 1 ounce cheddar cheese, 2 ounces heavy cream, quinoa greens, optional, in large pot. Bring water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add enough salt so the water tastes salty. Add the 2 ounces of dried macaroni, proportion, to the water and cook, approximately 10 minutes. Pull macaroni out of the pot and spread out on a sheet tray to cool. In a saucepan, add 2 ounces of cream, 1 ounce of cheese, and 2 ounces of macaroni per serving. Place the pan on medium heat and cook until the cream starts to bubble and simmer. Slowly stir and allow the pasta to thicken, approximately 5 minutes. Season with salt, then scoop out the pasta onto the plate. Garnish with fresh quinoa greens. Quinoa mac and cheese. Anna Hankins, Waukesha Regional High School, Holden, Massachusetts 176. This recipe is a twist on the traditional bland pasta salad. Thanks to the simple ingredients and delicious combination of Cuban flavors from the paprika, cumin, ginger, and pumpkin, this dish is likely to become a staple in your kitchen. Serves 1-3 cups spinach, 3/4 cup whole grain pasta, gluten-free if desired, 1/2 cup pumpkin in a bowl. Add spinach and set aside. In a pot, bring 3 cups of water and a generous pinch of salt to a boil. Add pasta, cook until soft. While pasta is cooking, mix pumpkin with cumin, smoked paprika, and ginger in a bowl. Heat pumpkin mixture in the microwave for 30 seconds and scoop over spinach. When pasta is cooked, strain and add to the pumpkin and spinach, mixing so that the heat from the pumpkin and pasta wilts the spinach. Cuban pumpkin pasta salad, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, teaspoon smoked paprika, teaspoon ginger.